What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jayla. If you're new, your girl got a new wig in the mail, and straight out the box, she comes styled with baby hairs. So I was at the hair salon. I'm like, do I want to open this package or this one? And the one that I opened up, she is T. So let's get into our little unboxing. Now, when you open up your package and it's a pretty pink box on the inside, you already know you can't wait to open it. So this hair is from West Kiss Hair. It comes in a hot pink box with a kiss on it and says West Kiss. So super cute. Let's go ahead and open her up. The wig is already packaged in the inside, sitting nicely. We have a few different little accessories, wig band, lashes, bonnet, anything we need to really install this unit. I'm going to take my wig out of the plastic wrap. It does have a net on it, and as you guys can see, this unit is already styled with like a whole braid down. Like the wig came styled with the baby hairs with the braid down. Okay, I couldn't wait to put it on. Like I literally had to like go ahead and rush to put it on before my hairstylist got into it, because I was like, ain't no way, like this is just gonna sit on my head perfectly. So I went ahead and I sat down right here, as you guys can see, super excited to put it on. I'm like, we must see what this wig looks like now, right now. So I put it on. Let's flip it back. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, I'm like, oh, okay. Let me put my hair back. Like this is cute. The braids are neat. It is flat on my head. Look at me smiling. You know when a girl smiles when she get her hair done. Yeah. So I was like, okay, the styling on this nice curly unit. This is definitely vacation hair, hot weather hair, summer hair. And look at that style, like already styled up like that. Like we hadn't did anything. Like straight from the box on my head. Straight from the box on my head. So since I'm at the hair salon, I'm gonna get my hair washed and braided down. So let's go ahead and go to the shampoo bowl, and then we'll get this installed.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was doing. Didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown.
So as you guys can see, we are now getting to the point where we're about to lay the lace down. And our choice of laying the lace down is just some good old got-to-be hairspray. We didn't feel the need to glue it down because we didn't want to mess up the style. So this wig can be tacked down with just hairspray so that you can get that flat look, but not have like the gooey residue on your lace, because you want to get some good use out of this. You want to be able to, wear it, maybe take it off, put it back on, and still keep these braids. And your girl does not know how to braid, so if the braids ever came loose, I can't put it back. So we did the hair spray, and I think it looks really good. She's just, when a girl pull out her phone, she like her hair. She's just laying down my baby hairs. They came perfect already, but this is how the hair looks.
I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low, unlearning.
So I think this wig is everything. I love the pre-styled unit because it was just so easy to put on. My hairstylist was literally like, girl, I have to get this unit. My clients need units like this because it's just so easy. So this is the pre-style deep wave pre-cut 13x6 HD lace frontal in a 24-inch. And yeah, we're basically done here. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove your unit when it's just the hairspray so that you can use it again. So she's just using a little bit of alcohol to just remove it, and boom, we are out of the unit and we can be in and out of it quick and easy. So she is ready to go straight from the box. I have the links in my description box.